Okay, hello everyone. So we have flooded our 12 by 16 inch canvas with Oxide Black by Amsterdam. And I'm going to show you the colors that we're going to be using today. So we're going to be starting with Rich Expresso by DecoArt. Okay. My next color is Naples Yellow by Pebeo. Next is Cadmium Yellow Medium Hue by Winsor and Newton. Next, I have Iridescent Silver by Pebeo. My next color is Gold by Arteza. Next, I have Pearl Space Gray by Arteza. And just a little bit of this. I don't like how that espresso expanded. And last, we have Cream by Arteza. We're going to go ahead and torch out the air bubbles. And we're going to begin here at the top. Okay, so this looks good. think I like that much better. I'm gonna blow in here. Okay, I like that. I love how it fans out and goes out towards the bottom here. I'm gonna go ahead and bring this in too, just like that. And I don't think there's anything else I want to do here. So it looks gorgeous. Let me show you. Okay, so check her out. I mean, the Rich Expresso, my take from this one is less on this, a lot less handed, because it does take over. I love the color palette, but if I do this again, I would do less of the Rich Expresso by DecoArt. So let's go ahead and take a look. Look how gorgeous. I love the color palette. The blowout was very tricky on this one because over here it was just too close. That's why you saw me go down from there. But other than that, I think it turned out gorgeous. Very beautifully blown out. Tell me what you think about this one. Let's check her now. Let's go in closer and look at those. I'm sorry about the glare and the distorted lights here. But look at the cells, and I love how that yellow, cadmium yellow medium kind of like flared out over here. Look at the cells created there as the petal came down. Look at that, gorgeous, beautiful. Look at this edge, love it. And then the next petal, love that I took it all the way to the edge here. Look, a lot more reaction, a lot more cells. Love how it fans out. Check out the clusters here, love it. And here's where I tell you, they were just too close, so I had to kind of like start and blow down from there. But I love the result. Tell me what you think about this one. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching Fluid Arts by Elsa. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.